This video will guide you through testing the K100 cabinet lock with your access control system before installing the lock. You will need an approved credential to confirm the lock will open as desired when installed. The Aperio hub should be mounted and connected to power and your access control system. Watch the Aperio hub installation video for assistance. Here are the step-by-step instructions. Remove the battery cover from the lock body. Pass the wire and shaft from the reader through the lock body. Connect the wire from the reader to the socket in the lock battery compartment. The wire is keyed. Install the battery. Ensure correct orientation. The lock will self-test and beep once. Present a credential approved in your access control system. A green LED indicates access is granted. Twist the knob to retract the latch. Refer to the LED reference card for any other codes. Remove the battery. Carefully unplug the cable and separate the lock and reader to prepare for installation. Now you are ready to install the lock on a cabinet, drawer, or locker. Watch the K100 installation video for assistance. For technical support, call 1-800-626-7590.